The nation's leading sugar producer, MSM Malaysia, announced that its group CEO, Muhammad Amri Sahari alias Kuzari, has vacated his role from today. He claims to have been constructively dismissed. According to a media statement, MSM denied Muhammad Amri's claim and insisted he return to work. However, following his affirmative that he would not return, the board of MSM has since appointed Muhammad Shafi Said as acting CEO effective today. Shafi holds the position as the CTO and the project director of MSM Sugar Refinery Johor Sendirian Berhad. The Edge Financial Daily had reported last Thursday that Muhammad Amri had tendered his resignation after disagreeing with major shareholder FGV over an appointment. PM Najib says the recent investments and moves to enhance their presence taken by MNCs is proof of the international community's confidence in Malaysia. He adds that institutions such as the World Bank, International Monetary Fund and many other respected global bodies had commended the government's prudent handling of the economy. He said they recognize that Malaysia's resilience and competitiveness have been built up for the good of the Malaysian people. Najib underlined that international companies and foreign capital were coming into the country at a pace not seen before, such as Saudi Aramco and HSBC are among major corporations that announced their intentions to invest billions in the country over the past year. He also adds that with the continued development of industries within Malaysia's own borders, the government would continue to provide citizens with better and more fulfilled lives in the years to come. Samatha Resources business partner Capsi Oil Gas has signed a pre-sale gas agreement with Kazakhstan-based NIPI Neftegas Consortium. This deal is for the sale of 6.2 billion cubic meters of gas to NIPI over 15 years at market gas price. In the Bursa filing, Sumatec said the NIPI-led consortium will convert the gas into petroleum products through a proprietary gas-to-liquid technology. It said that the proposed capex for the gas utilization plan will start at about 236.46 million ringgit, and the total capex of the plant over the period to bring it to full capacity will be about 1.42 billion ringgit. The first phase of the plant operation is expected to start in 2019. The company adds that the plant will be funded and operated by the NIPI-led consortium. The pre-sale gas agreement allows for Capsi Oil Gas or Sumatec to take up participating equity in the plant at a later date if either party chooses to opt in. Apart from sharing the oil produced under the joint investment agreement, Sumatec will receive share of the oil and condensates produced as well as the fee for processing the raw gas prior to the sale or supply to NIPI. ManagePay Systems is set to launch its money lending business in April this year, following the green light it received from the Moneylenders and Pawnbrokers Division of the Ministry of Urban Wellbeing, Housing and Local Government. It told Bursa today that its wholly owned subsidiary, ManagePay Services, had on January 19th received a letter of approval from the ministry and that it had fulfilled the conditions to operate a money lending business. MPay would be able to target both individuals and businesses. MPay says that this is over and above its quick cash peer-to-peer financing platform it launched earlier, which also targeted underserved SMEs but not individuals. MPay said these newly added lending capabilities will contribute to both the group's revenue and bottom line in 2018. Malaysia's GDP is expected to expand this year, fueled by private consumption and FDIs. It is also likely to benefit from continued large-scale infrastructure spending. In a note today, UOB Asset Management CEO Lim Suet Ling said this would likely lift market confidence and attract more investment flows into the country. She also said that UOB remained optimistic about the country's economic performance over the next 12 months, given the positive earnings momentum, oil recovery and stronger ringgit. Overall, she expects the global economy to maintain growth momentum in 2018, supported by improving macro conditions across advanced and emerging markets. She adds that in a healthy growth environment like now, equities are likely to be an attractive asset class for investors. But that even in an equity bull market, investors should exercise caution and select stocks with sound fundamentals.